made it to Vegas, so let the fun begin. This is for dance stuff, giving Nairobi vibes. Yeah, is it? Bellagio. We're going to explore and then we'll show you. We made it to Vegas, so let the fun begin. We are so excited. It's our first time. We got the buffet in Bellagio in Las Vegas. So I'm about to go and show you the kind of foods they have. We came in for brunch. The buffet is overwhelming. It's too many choices and food. So this is the first step. You grab a plate. Can I get an omelet?
Yes, ma'am. What would you like?
I would like green peppers, mushrooms, and
mushrooms,
tomatoes, and onions. Thank you. So I just ordered an omelet and they are making it for me. I'll show you the final result.
I got talking, walk it, I got talking, you walk it, like I'm talking, walk it, like I'm talking, walk it, like I'm talking, walk it, like I'm talking. Walk it like I'm talking, you walk it like I'm talking, walk it like I'm talking, walk it like I'm talking, walk it like I'm talking.
Alright, so we just left the Bellagio for a few seconds. There's one thing we're going to get and then we'll come back, so I'll show you the walkway. It's giving Nairobi vibes.
a little.
Huh? It's a uptown Nairobi.
I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this through. What can I say? Do you recognize I'm trying, baby? Tell me if they
Today is perfect weather, so you're having so much fun at the moment. There's a lot of people in Vegas today. Tomorrow is going to be an international race. It's called the F1 racing. So they're working on the roads, they're blocking some roads. and many people are coming into town. So tomorrow we might show you. We will go and stand by the side of the roads to see. But so far the trip is going on well. We are just it's a lot of walking in the strip. We are headed to Bellagio. We're going to see a few things, and then hopefully we'll go and have dinner later. So this is the world of enchantment. It's a fairy tale, right? So we start here by the books. Is it called a wish lake?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna throw a coin. I just see it's an American thing. I see people nobody do it, so I'm gonna do it too.
People are getting filled.
But Jesus Christ is King though.
Yes.
Right? That is so cool.
You hit the smoke.
I can hit the smoke too. This is for the ancestors. Like the enchantment theme with the mushrooms and all these fairies makes this place look beautiful. And all this is at the Bellagio, all in Las Vegas. Everything. Follow me for more Vegas adventures. Something? Times 2.
If this was that, that would have been huge.
All that drama for $5 only. We are just gambling for fun, so that we just experience the entire thing for slots. That's it. Oh, okay.
Come on.
Bonus. There you go. Mystery big again.
We want the grand.
Okay, we want the grand.
This is going to be.
Oh my goodness, you're doing good now. $50. How many do you need? Mini again.
A well-deserved award.
We've won 2 minis. We need a major.
We could leave now and say we doubled our money at Vegas.
Because we already got 2 times what we put in.
Yeah.
So we should go, I think. So we're waiting for the water show.
Yeah.
It's about to start. It happens every
15 minutes.
Every 15 minutes. So I'm here with my muse. So So far, how are you loving Las
I'm
Vegas?
here with my beautiful woman.
Codito.
Yes, baby. Nini. Shaka.
Shaka. Is it? Is it raining or is the water from here?
It's the water.
Are you sure?
Or is it raining?
Could be raining. So we have watched a lot of Gordon Ramsay on TV, like Hell's Kitchen, MasterChef, and today we are going to try one of his restaurants. It has been on our bucket list. We want to eventually go to the big restaurant where they have the blue kitchen and the red kitchen, but here in Vegas they have the Gordon Ramsay burger. So we're going to try. It's about 8 p.m. right now. We've done a bunch of activities and we're also trying to film and also enjoy the moment, so we didn't film some things. It's an amazing experience and it's very overwhelming as well, but I can't complain because I have had a lot of fun. This is mine, and then this is truffle fries for Cody, and I got the normal fries, and then Cody's burger is right there. So we're going to dig in, enjoy, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another day.